Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I am Halimatul Sa'diyah and I am PhD student of Educational Technology of State University of Jakarta. In this occasion, and due to outbreak of COVID-19, I would like to deliver my online presentation to SMEC 2020 International Conference. My paper title, Learning Analytics and Educational Data Mining for Learning Science and Technology. Learning Analytics and Educational Data Mining for Learning Science and Technology. Introduction. Learning Analytics is another trendy choice for the technology-enhanced learning. It is not surprising, therefore, that learning analytics is the topic of many scientific papers and new learning process and tools to improve learning performance. Learning analytics is the topic of many scientific papers and new process and tools to improve student and teacher learning performance and as a tool that can be used for measuring, collecting, analyzing, and reporting data about students and their context for the purpose of understanding and optimizing learning and the environment in which it occurs. Development of communication technology, especially the internet, cellular device, computers, digital sensor, and recording equipment has led to an exponential growth in amount and complexity of data available for analysis. Emergence of big data and the world of information and knowledge buried in these data mines can be avoided by using data mining technology to find interesting, meaningful, and strong patterns that are becoming increasingly important. No doubt learning, analytics, and data mining are alternative methods that have influenced many fields, including social science. Methodology used in this study is a systematic of literature analysis. The systematic literature review was conducted in 5 stages, formulating the research problem, identifying relevant work, assessing the quality of studies, summarizing the evidence, and interpreting the findings. Methods in data mining for learning analytics including 1. Classification and prediction, 2. Clustering, 3. Outline detection, 4. Relationship mining, 5. Social network analysis, 6. Process mining, 7. Text mining, 8. Distillation of data for human judgment, and 9. Discovery with models. Result and discussion. Analytic learning and data mining are new technologies that are starting to be widely used in education and science and technology learning to store information relating to student background about their interaction with learning management system and to understand how students interact with learning resource, learning style, possible learning outcome that might be to the most relevant, and how likely they are to complete their studies successfully. Data mining can be used to strengthen to learn process in ways include 1. Predict student performance. Analytic learning can be used to predict the likelihood of students dropping out of school at an early stage so that necessary corrective action can be planned. 2. Educating students using big data. Integrating information and communication technology is a demand for the defense of the second century. Teachers can use online and offline tools to create quality content that is easy for students to understand. 3. Learning assessment. There are problems in assessing the traditional way that has been widely used to evaluate student learning. However, use analytic learning in learning assessment can produce faster progress because analytic learning can provide real-time and ongoing assessment. Big data can be used to create dynamic tests according to student knowledge. 4. Learning and research. Analytic learning and data mining can be useful for identifying academic results to increase teacher awareness about research. For example, an in-depth analysis of student demographic can provide researchers with a heterogeneous sample of students from demographic and socio-cultural groups. Conclusion. Learning data mining analytics has become a new process and tool to improve the learning performance of students and teachers, and as a tool that can be used for measuring, collecting, analyzing, and reporting data about students and their content for the purpose of understanding and optimizing learning. Some of the most commonly used methods in data mining for learning analytics include classification and prediction, clustering, outlier detection, relationship mining, social network analysis, process mining, text mining, distillation of data for human judgment, and discovery with models. Analytic learning and data mining can be in the field in education to store information relating to student background about their interaction with the learning management system and to understand how students interact with learning resources, learning style, possible learning outcomes that may be the most relevant, as well as how likely they are to complete their studies successfully. In several ways, including predicting student performance, educating students to use big data, assessment of learning, and research. I hope my presentation can add to our knowledge about learning analytics and educational data mining. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.